the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unbox. In this video, we will take a look at the new Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with your user guide, USB-C cord for charging, and various sizes of wingtips and ear tips. The Galaxy Buds Plus features 11 hours of listening time, 22 hours with the case. 10 minutes of charge will give you 3 hours. Uses Bluetooth 5.0. Touch controls and an app for Android phones. Ambient aware feature, USB-C and wireless charging, and it's IPX2 sweat and water resistant. The case is plastic all around and it has a glossy finish. There's a variety of colors to choose from. On the top you have the branding, and on the front of the case you have the charge status LED light. On the back of the case you'll find the USB-C charge port. The lid has a nice snap to it and it opens and closes smoothly. It uses magnets along with the earbuds that are secured by them as well. They are easy to grip and remove from the case. You have the LED status light in the middle for the earbuds and the ear markings inside. The case has wireless charging as mentioned earlier, and here it is on the charger. You can see it activate. The earbuds are fairly small and it has an ergonomic shape to them. It has a glossy finish all around and the ear indicators are marked on the inside. On the outer face you have a large surface for the touch control. Each of the earbuds feature interchangeable ear tips and wingtips, microphones, sensor, charging contacts, and touch control. And here they are side by side. The touch controls are straightforward and it's a matter of tapping a few times or a long hold to get the desired function. There is also the Galaxy Wearable app for Android users. This will allow you to control ambient sound features along with toggling some EQ presets. The case comes in at 2.7 inches by 1.5 by 1. It weighs in at 41 grams and the earbuds come in at 13 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
I said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in loud and clear for me during calls, and other parties had no issues hearing me. You can use the earbuds independently left or right side, and the pairing process was instant. When testing video on an Android and iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. I like the overall fitment as they formed a nice secure seal. There was no excessive twisting and it seated just right. The earwings definitely help to add that additional support. Having the touch control also helps in not adding additional pressure in the ear canals. Build-in quality is solid. The case has a slim and small form factor. It feels durable along with the earbuds. Both the earbuds and case have a glossy finish, so it can become a bit slippery. Their earbuds don't protrude out as much compared to other earbuds that I've reviewed. Touch controls were responsive and at times it can be a bit sensitive. Battery life is pretty good, coming at 11 hours and 22 with the case. I like that it has wireless and USB-C for charging. These also come with ambient sound, which allows you to hear the surrounding noises. It worked as advertised, and when activated, it picked up the surrounding noises loud and clear. Now let's talk about sound. Starting off with the bass, it was very pronounced and it was tight and punchy. It was not lacking and it just had the right amount for me. Mids and highs come in clean and clear, and I felt there was good separation. I do wish it was a bit more forward, but other than that, I felt like it was balanced. You may have picked up some of the details in the sound samples. Toggling the EQ settings in the app does make a bit of difference, but nothing substantial, and this is only available for Android users. Overall, I feel that these are definitely an upgrade from the previous version. The all-around sounds are better in my opinion. I do feel that they missed out on an opportunity and should have added active noise cancellation. Many of the other brands are making the ANC as a standard feature, so this comes in at a very competitive environment when comparing price and features. But that's not to say this doesn't perform, which it does, and it may be a good option for the Android users out there that are looking for something that integrates well, and having the functionality of the app. So that is my review of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.